So, how's it going? What are you doing at the lake today? Anything in particular? Are they doing, well, stuff I can't do with my head? What else? Anything? Would you like to talk? Any updates on the Goose World? Have you seen the Easter Bunny? You know the Easter Bunny, yeah? You have plans for the weekend? What are you doing? Yeah, looks like you're getting ready for something. Yeah, shake them. Shake them. I like that. Yeah, that was cool. Anyway, hope you have a nice day and a nice weekend. See you later.